If you're a person from Curacao, Curacao? No, where are we? Curacao.
Oh, we're excited!
We are really enjoying Curacao so far.
Okay! Do mine. You're gonna say that, wouldn't you?
I swear you've had some drinks today, but you're just tired. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys? What have we done today? Or last night?
Well, we just rocked up to a new country, didn't we?
We actually sailed into Curacao. Last night, after 4 days on the ocean, we were hoping to make it in by sunset, but that didn't happen. We actually got in about 1 AM. But we have made it into Curacao, which is fantastic. Our first new country in over a month.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Very exciting.
Yeah.
After 4 days on the ocean, we were very tired yesterday. We put down an anchor last night, and the Coast Guard actually came in and checked on us, didn't he?
Yeah, really quick too. I was surprised.
They were really nice, the Curacao Coast Guard. So he did his formal checks, just checked our passport and our clearance, and he was all happy, and we went to bed. And now this morning we've had a shower, cleaned up the house, and
feel like two new people.
feel like, just a couple more hours sleep and I'll be 100%.
Yeah.
So this morning we're going to go check in. So we have to move from our small little anchorage where we are, and we have to move around to the main anchorage called Spance Waters, I believe. And so we take a bus from there and go to check in. So we'll take you along for the ride, and yeah.
Happy days.
Happy days.
Still tired.
Still a bit tired. This is our beautiful anchorage. We've been in, I picked out last night just because it's easy to get into, and it's so large, it's so safe. Very happy after a 4 or 5 day sail to come in here and kind of relax. There's nothing worse than being in a dodgy anchorage after that kind of time sailing. There is basically a wall of land that protects us from the ocean, and it's great. All we get in here is the wind, and all the water's nice and calm. It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. I believe it's called Fuki Bay. So if you're Corsican, and if you're I don't know what you'd say. If you're a person from Curacao, Curacao? No, where are we? Curacao. If you're a person from Curacao, I believe this bay is called Fuki Bay, but I do apologise if you're from Curacao and you know otherwise. Alright, let's get this thing up. Woo! That's how it's done, baby! Still feeling the effects of the 400 nautical mile sail, we were thankful to see this beautiful new country in the daylight. I did my apprenticeship. So every day I'd be looking out at the water, at the ocean, and be like, I need to get out there. This reminds me exactly of that. Okay, so we're at 7 meters depth, coming out of this little, it's called Fuick Bay, 7 meters. We're going to motor just a couple 100 meters off the coastline here, and it goes down to 200, almost like that, and then you go a little bit further, it goes to 1,000 almost. It just goes super shallow to super deep really quickly.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
Okay.
What is it?
Okay. So that's you.
That's me.
Yeah. Oh, we're excited.
We are really enjoying Curacao so far. We just arrived.
Looks beautiful.
But the Spance waters, which is like a port here, absolutely stunning and a really calm, protected, great holding little anchorage.
Yeah. Super nice villas and restaurants. Yeah, it's like Dutch Caribbean, isn't it?
So far.
Dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be.
So what are we doing?
We are walking to the ATM because we have no local currency, and then we hope to get a bus to the customs and immigration, and then we can check into the country.
Okay.
The wave is waving.
Okay. Who am I? You're gonna say that, wouldn't you?
I swear you've had some drinks today, but you're just tired.
Oh, I'm excited. This is so beautiful.
So the hardest thing that we have to do, we live a pretty cool life, I'm going to admit, but we do have this annoying thing that happens every place we go to. We have to check into the country.
We have to wander around the city, the whole city, and go to different places to check in.
And it's never easy. It's always in a different spot. There's always different officials. There's usually sometimes harbour master, immigration, customs. Sometimes it's customs, immigration, harbour master. You just don't know.
And they're barely speaking English.
And they don't really speak. Yeah, they don't speak language, do they? So right now we've just gone to customs. Now we have to walk to the other side of town to go to immigration, and then we have to see them, and possibly we have to go see the harbour master as well. All the while, our boat is anchored like the other side of the island.
Yeah, yeah.
And we
and it's like 36 degrees.
We didn't have any local currency when we rocked up, so we had to do a mission of going to an ATM. 2 ATMs didn't work. Oh man, it's been a hectic day, hasn't it?
Oh, but we get to see beautiful Curacao.
Carousel.
And we get to see beautiful Carousel.
Curacao. No, they're similar.
How similar are those?
They're very similar. Let's go check in right now, okay?
Okay. Okay. 3 hours later, we're still at it. This is by far the trickiest check-in we have ever experienced. We have been walking around for, I don't know, it's about 5 right now. We've been walking around since 10 this morning, and we are losing it.
Sure.
We've done 2 steps. We're gonna go to the harbour master, but now he's closed because it's too late.
We're 20 minutes late.
All the joys.
All the joys.
We've seen a lot today, but we've been sightseeing, trying to look for these places.
Got a workout done.
Yeah, we haven't walked this much in a long time. So what now?
We know our way around Curacao now.
Yeah.
Yeah, back to the boat. We'll call them up tomorrow. Find a phone.
Yeah.
Anyway, we got the clearance documents, so if Coast Guard comes around, we got that sorted.
Some papers,
yeah.
We're not illegal visitors anymore. Or not.
Like we were last night when the Coast Guard came in.
Yeah.
Yes.
Back to home. Okay.
G'day!
Yay!
What's going on?
Oh, now we're gonna fill up on water and sail to Klein Carousel.
Klein Carousel. What is Klein Carousel?
Well, it means little carousel in Dutch. It is an island 15 nautical miles from here. Our friends Walting and Gushla has been there, and they said it was amazing, super clear blue water, and oh yeah, they swim with dolphins.
They swim with dolphins.
So we're gonna go down there and swim with dolphins and record it for you guys.
So we're really looking forward to getting out there, maybe sticking down an anchor and spending a night or two. Alrighty, yes, let's do it.
Let's do it. Captain eating a lunch.
I'm steering and lunching at the same time. They call me the lunch steerer.
They call you what?
It's called me shit.
You always talk shit, love.
It's true.
This is today's lunch. A cook-up with some arugula. Ooh.
Okay, the winds are what we expected. We are motoring pretty much the whole way. We're trying to get to the very tip of Carousel so we can maybe get the angle to put up a sail and head over to Klein Carousel. Despite our best efforts putting up the sails, unfortunately the wind was completely onto us and we put them away quite quickly. Okay, so we tried to put the sail up and sail into the wind, but it was impossible. It was directly into the wind, and I don't want to fight the wind for 10 hours to get 15 miles, so we just motored the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's not enjoyable, and it's not that far, so we just...
we made the call.
Yeah, we made the call, 15 miles of motoring, who cares? So now we're just approaching it.
Yeah, it looks really cool, doesn't it?
It looks amazing.
Yeah.
So from what I can see, we have a lighthouse that's marking the whole island out. It's very flat. I'll put the drone up when we put an anchor down so you guys can see everything. But it looks kind of cool. Welcome. This is the ending part of the episode. This is where we get to shout out our patrons, the people that support us, the people that make this possible.
Our crew.
Our crew.
Beloved crew and members of the Sailing Merewether boating experience.
You cannot sail the world without crew, and
No.
we want to shout a few new ones out today. Isabel, far away.
Okay, we got Jeremy S, we got Dale R, Doug W, Randy, and Gary. I apologize if I say that wrong.
Gary or Jerry, we're not sure. I want to shout out Thomas R, Alda H, Alan J, and Ron G. You guys have all signed up recently, and we are trying to contact you and getting in contact with you. We are so thankful for your constant support and joining up, and thank you guys.
Yeah,
There's one other name which I really want to emphasize. Somebody has upped their pledge from a lower amount to a higher amount, and that is Andrew D. Thank you, Andrew.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We are appreciative. We are sailing around the world, and you guys are making it possible. Thank you.